video, we will see how to draw a camel in simple steps. So let's draw it together. We are drawing a camel. Now start with the head. Begin with a rounded rectangle shape for the camel's face. Add a small bump for the nose and a gentle curve for the mouth. Draw a smiling mouth line and a small nostril. Draw 2 ears on top of the head, one fully visible and the other partially behind. Next, draw the neck of the camel. Extend 2 long curved lines downward from the head to form the neck. Continue the top neckline into a high rounded hump. Next, start to draw front legs. Draw 2 front legs starting from the chest. Make them slightly curved and end in flat-bottom camel feet with toe splits. For the belly and the chest, from the base of the neck, draw a line curving out and back for the chest. Extend a curved line across the body to form the belly. Now we are drawing back legs. Extend 2 back legs from the rear end of the body. Curve them slightly and finish with similar feet like the front legs. And don't forget to draw a tail of camel. From the back of the body, draw a long, thin tail hanging down. Add a tuft of hair at the end using short, curved lines. Next, add eyes of the camel. Draw a large oval eye with a filled-in circle for the pupil. Add an arched eyebrow above the eye. Now let's color the picture to make it more beautiful. A camel is a large, tall animal that lives in desert areas. It is well known for the hump on its back, which stores fat. This fat gives the camel energy when there is no food or water. Camels can survive for many days without drinking water, which is why they are called the ships of the desert. Camels have long legs, a big body, and a long neck. Their feet are wide and padded to walk easily on the hot desert sand. Their thick eyelashes, closing nostrils, and bushy eyebrows help protect them from sand and sunlight. They can carry heavy loads and are used by people to travel or transport goods in deserts. There are 2 types of camels. Dromedary camel has 1 hump found in Africa and the Middle East. Bactrian camel has 2 humps found in Central Asia. Camels eat dry grass, plants, and shrubs. They are very strong animals and can walk for long distances in the desert. Camels are friendly and helpful animals, and they have been important to humans for thousands of years.
Little